Have you ever tried these golden yolk eggs? They are actually packed with vitamin D and omega-3, which gives a rich taste. These eggs will have higher levels of vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids because of the hen's diet. Also, one thing to notice is to understand the egg codes. So if the eggs you purchased has the stamp 3 UK, it means cage, all the way to 0 UK, which will be organic. The line stamp on the box or the eggs means the eggs are produced in accordance with UK and EU law. This is the cheap eggs on the market, which I believe majority of us will buy. So this is the caged hen eggs with the 3 UK stamp. And this is the 1 UK stamp, which is free range. Free range eggs are laid by hens that are free to roam around outdoors, alongside with the natural grain-based diet. So guys, you can see the difference in colour of the yolk. So that's the caged, and that's the free range golden yolk. So if you got that extra pound and you want that rich taste, get the golden yolk eggs. Eat well, peace.